Welcome back guys to another video. That's your boy Luke. Today I'm going to show how to link your bank account to GetUpside. In the previous video that I make, I showed exactly how to make more money with GetUpside. They just rebranded the app also. It was GetUpside. Right now it just GetUpside. The app doesn't change. I've been talking about this app a lot, and right now it's time to show you exactly how to cash your money out using your bank account. There is plenty of option of the app. You remember I showed you the gift card and the option they have PayPal, but today the main focus is gonna be how to link your bank account to GetUpside and get this money right into your bank account. Let's get started right now. The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your app. So when you go to your app, in the left side you see the tweet bar. In the left side you see, you're gonna click in it and it's gonna bring you the menu. So I want you to click in cash out, where you see the $48 available, whatever amount money you have, and this is where it's gonna be next to cash out. So you're gonna click in cash out, and when you click in cash out, so it's gonna take you right here. So the first thing you're gonna see, and in the left side you're gonna see your bank, okay, and the gift card, and if you scroll down you're gonna see PayPal. But like I said before in the beginning, the main focus is gonna be or to link your bank account so they can deposit the money into your bank. When you get there, you're gonna click your bank. After you click in your bank, and it's gonna ask you to link new bank account, so you're gonna click in the circle that you see and it's gonna turn blue. After you turn blue, it's gonna give you access to click continue. You're gonna click and continue, so it's take you right here, GetUpside. So you don't know why they didn't change this yet. This thing doesn't change yet, so don't worry about it. You still GetUpside, and you're gonna have to click continue, and it's gonna ask you to select your bank account. So if you don't see your bank account in the beginning right here, I use Chase, so I just gonna go ahead and click and Chase for you if you don't see your bank account right here. And the first page, you can also go to the search bar right here, where you're able to click to tap whatever name of your bank. So after you do that, it's gonna say with Chase, but it's gonna say whatever for your bank. So when you get there, it just say you're gonna link to your bank account, and you're gonna directly take your bank account so you can sign up. So I'm gonna click continue. After I click continue, and is gonna ask me to continue to sign in. So this is where it's gonna take you to your bank. So whatever you put your password, your username, your password, and then good, and it's gonna redirect you to the app. So when you get to the GetUpside app, you put your first name, your last name. After you put your first name, your last name, and you're gonna send you an email confirmation, and you're gonna go to your email, confirm account information, and you're good to go. So it's gonna take you right away back to the app, so where you can cash out. So while you're in under the $48 that I have, you can see change cash amount, and if you want, you can change the cash amount, whatever number. Let's say you want to cash out $20, and go ahead, click right here, and then you put whatever money. But I want to cash all my money out. I just click cash out. So I'll click cash out, so it's gonna take me right here to make sure everything is good. This is your bank account, so remember it's gonna take 2 to 4 business days, and I'm cool with that, and I just click cash out. So when I go back to the app, you're gonna see $0. This is all to cash your money out. If you don't have the app yet, please make sure you download the app in the link below. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and see you to the next video. Bye.